Hello, beloved, and welcome to another sound ceremony session. Today's topic is going to be anchoring into peace. And my inspiration for this ceremony topic came to me in meditation this morning. Just feeling and acknowledging all of the chaos and transformative fire that's alive and existing in the world right now. And I believe that anchoring into peace can be sort of an act of rebellion to the chaos that surrounds us, to stay unshakable and immovable in our awareness and in our vibrational state. Greatest act of rebellion against everything that we're having reflected back to us in the 3D. It's also our greatest form of protection. So if this resonates with you, then I invite you to get comfortable and in an energetic state and space to receive whatever wishes to come through, any codes, downloads in the light language to just anchor us into that steady state point of peace. Creating a sacred circle around us now of white fire and golden light, and asking for blessing to the divine infinite creator, divine father, divine mother, to our holy angels, spiritual helpers and guides, to the great ones, holy ones, and ascended masters that are in alignment with the greatest and highest good, growth, healing, expansion, salvation of humanity, to guide us to the highest light, the highest point and timeline. Humbly and gratefully ask for your assistance and for your presence in today's healing ceremony. In this we pray. In full faith, so be it, and so it is. And I will remain silent so you may create your own intention. Beautiful. Thank you. All right. Let's see what comes through. And let us begin. Hayanandra ayuno istuayuno hayanandra pakai hayanandra ituayu hayanandra stayuno koyanandra ayuayum Hayanandra istueno dukoyuno hayanandra pakaiwa hayanandra istueno dukoyuno hayanandra paka, anchoring you now deeply, 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 deepening your roots, those pathways, that stairway, those anchoring roots to your center of peace, grounding you stable, immovable, and unshakable. Thank you for your participation. Thank you, thank you, thank you for doing your part in laying down part of the grid work for the collective. The more we tap into and embody and allow greater peace, greater awareness, and greater stability in our vibrational state, the more we help those around us and the world. So I thank you and I love you. I thank you and I love you for tending to yourself and tending to the part that you play in this greater peace that is the collective, the whole, us in unity and as one. I thank you and I love you. This is all that wishes to come through for the sound ceremony today. May we give thanks. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to the divine, infinite creator, divine father, divine mother, the holy angels, spiritual helpers and guides of the greatest and highest good. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all those who came forward and participated and aided in giving in their energy, their time, their vibration, their presence. We thank you and we love you. In full faith, so be it, and so it is. Closing the sacred circle now. May you go and truly and completely be anchored in your divine peace. I love you. I'll see you in the next ceremony. Take care.